Hey Sugar Bulls, what you're looking at is what y'all have done, and I just want to say thank y'all. I thank y'all so much for helping me get there. Hey Sugar Bulls. So, the number that y'all just saw was the number of subscribers that I am at, and I just want to say thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for helping me get to 9,000 subscribers, y'all, within 8 months time. Y'all know the beginning of this year I had made it to 7,000 subscribers, and now I'm at 9,000, y'all. And I can't thank nobody but y'all, because y'all's the one that helped me get there. Y'all just helping me grow every day, and I just thank y'all for just sharing all your love with me and just keeping your faith in me and just helping me just feel motivated to keep doing this. I do this for y'all, and I also do it for myself, and I just thank y'all for believing. I thank y'all for believing in me, and I thank y'all for helping me and pushing me and motivating me and encouraging me. I just thank y'all, each and every one of y'all, for all y'all prayers. I thank all of y'all for y'all love, and I thank all of y'all once again for your support. But y'all, let's go head on and keep on pushing for that 10K. I know we gonna get there, y'all. I pray that I get there by the end of this year, and I know with the help of all my supporters, y'all gonna get me there. I just love each and every one of y'all, and words can't really explain how I really feel at this time. But I'm sitting right here editing me a video or whatever. But I just wanted to come on and tell y'all, I actually reached my goal yesterday after our bulk live, the meet live. So I reached my goal yesterday. By the time I got on video, I noticed that I had reached my goal. So I don't know what it is that I'm doing, but y'all know I already told y'all that I got some things coming up for y'all. So y'all just be ready for whatever it is that I come bring your way. And I just say thank you once again. I'm just really thankful for all of y'all. I just really don't know what else to say, but thank you. Thank you. Let's keep pushing. Boss Up Cleaning Crew, and Sugar Booze, okay? Cause that's what y'all is. Y'all part of the Boss Up Cleaning Crew and the Sugar Booze. So y'all don't forget, every time y'all come by here to ring that doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button one time for the one time. And I hope y'all is having an amazing day. If you're not, I hope by the end of this video that you is having an amazing day. All right, I love y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.